If you've got a lateral pelvic tilt where one side of your pelvis rides higher than the other, then today's video is going to help you out. I've got a follow-along workout with 2 exercises that are going to help you restore the length and strength to the muscles around the sides and top of your pelvis and along the sides of your spine. These exercises don't require a bunch of fancy equipment, and as long as you remember that slow is safe and fast is foolish, you'll be fine. Just take your time. So if you're ready to fix your lateral pelvic tilt, then let's get ready to think right, move right, and feel right. So now we're going to strengthen the muscles around the top of your pelvis on the sides to help you with any lateral pelvic tilt. Stand on a step or stair, hold on to something to help you feel balanced. I'm using rings here. And you're just going to let the leg that's hanging drop down. Keep this knee pretty straight. You don't have to lock it, but keep it straight. We're thinking about moving the pelvis up and down. So this side is dropping. Now this side is higher. Now I'm lifting it up. Now this side is trying to get higher, dropping it down, lifting up. If you have good balance, you can put your hands on your pelvis, and that'll help you feel the change in the heights of the 2 sides. Touch down, lift up. Touch down, lift up. Of course, if you're on a higher step, you won't be able to touch the ground. And of course, stay in a pain-free range. Let's go ahead and relax. We're going to switch sides. When you want to make this exercise a little more difficult, you can always add an ankle weight to the side that you're dropping. Here we go. So we're dropping down, lifting up. Just want to feel that. You can feel your fingers, that the pelvic bone is moving up and down. And if you notice that one side is weaker or stiffer than the other side, make sure you do a few extra repetitions or maybe even an extra set for that weaker, stiffer side. This is super important for rebuilding symmetry, keeping your hips happy and your spine happy. Almost done. Really expand that range and build that strength. Nice job. Take a rest. Let me know how these exercises feel for you. Drop me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want to get a free course to help you rebuild your entire body at home for free, check out the Body Rebuilding Basics at uprighthealth.com/BRB. All right, let's get ready to work on your side abs. You're gonna have your feet elevated here on some sort of cushioned surface. Push down and in with your arm. Here we go. You're just going to go up and then down. You can do this at whatever pace feels doable and comfortable for you. Keep the shoulder working. You don't want to feel like you're just collapsing in. Hold that top position. Just stay within a range that feels doable for you. You know, feel muscles on the side, right along the waist, and around the hip. And when you feel more confident and you want a bigger range of motion, you can gradually build up the height of your legs. Feel those side abs working. If you need a little help with your hand, of course, use it. Take it away when you feel like you don't. Okay, and then I'm going to switch to the other side. And up we go. Bringing it down and up. You're going to notice one side is probably better than the other side at this, a little more competent. Maybe the range feels smoother or just feels stronger at the top. Make sure to get some extra work for that weaker side, that side that doesn't feel quite as smooth. And keep trying to make both sides equally strong. Nice job. And take a rest. So how did that workout feel for you? Drop me a comment down below and let me know how your lateral pelvic tilt feels after this workout. You can feel free to do 2 rounds, maybe even 3 rounds of this workout 2 to 3 times a week. When you first start, please remember that slow is safe and fast is foolish. Don't try to do anything super hard, super fast. Just take your time and ease into things. If for some reason you feel like you need to do these exercises more often, then you can do that. You're your best judge, but remember not to cripple yourself with soreness. You do need rest days for your body to actually integrate the work that you're doing so that it can recover and get stronger. If all you do is keep hammering it day after day after day, you're probably not going to be able to walk. For more workouts to help your hips get stronger and more flexible, go to uprighthealth.com/DIY and check out the Healthy Hips program. And you can also check out some of my free videos to help your hips right here on YouTube. If you want to support this channel, use the join and thanks buttons on YouTube or go to uprighthealth.com/donate for more simple, easy options. I hope you found this whole video helpful, and I hope you always remember that pain sucks, life shouldn't.